All right, hey everybody, RV Enthusiast here. Nice seeing you again. Got a couple things I want to talk about. All right, Hey Bike fans, coming in May, Hey Bike will be offering a free souvenir box with every bike purchase. So if you're going to be purchasing a Hey Bike, look for that souvenir box coming in May. And what that's doing, that's celebrating their anniversary for starting their e-bike company and bringing it here to America. The next thing I want to talk about is if you're just joining me and you have not seen many of my videos, kind of look back and you'll see kind of where I came from to where I'm at now. I started out as an RV enthusiast where I had a Class A motorhome, did videos of that for a long time. That's how I started my channel, and I grew that channel and I kind of got complacent. I didn't have a whole lot more to talk about and didn't want to do much with that anymore. Then I sold that Class A, I bought a fifth wheel. Fifth wheel's great. Going to do some traveling with that fifth wheel, and we're going to be taking the bikes along with us. So every few months in the summer, we'll take some bikes with us. I'm not saying which, but Hey Bike will definitely be one of the bikes that come with us. Also, if you're viewing this, you'll recognize that yes, I am a new e-bike reviewer. I don't have a lot of e-bikes. I have 2 Magicycles that I review. I have the Hey Bike that I review. I'm also working on getting another couple of bikes. Whether that happens or not, I don't know. I'm fingers crossed it's going to happen. And if you're a manufacturer and you want it to happen, look at what I do. That's the kind of videos you're going to get. More than 1, more than 2, more than 3. You're not going to have to beg me to put out videos because this is what I like to do. And rest assured, you'll get some quantity for sure. Now my channel's not that big yet. I think I'm verging on 2,300 subscribers as I'm making this video right here, and this video is going out on Thursday. So just be aware of that. I'm a new channel. You know, if I get big, man, and you guys start sending me all these bikes, I can't handle that kind of volume because I like to put detail in every video of something about the bike. And you know, when I'm reviewing, say, the Hey Bike, I do a video a week. It takes a full day to do a video, typically. So just be aware of that. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, please subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. I'm a non-monetized channel. I don't make anything from these videos other than the free bike that the manufacturers give me. And that's enough for me. I don't get money on the back end. I don't want money on the back end. All I want to do is have fun, enjoy my retirement, and this is one of the ways I do that. All right, so let's get started into this video. What this video is my daughter-in-law on her first ride on an e-bike. This is her first ride. If you look a couple of videos back, that's her second ride. This is her first ride. So bear with me, it's a short video. The sound quality is not great, and also my son is on, one of my sons is on the bike as well. And in the video, you'll hear me ask him, how fast did you go? So he is young stud, he got it to 26 miles an hour. That's fast pedaling. So that's not my game. My game is to enjoy the bike, enjoy what I can do on the bike. Again, I'm a big fella, I'm no small guy. So the bike for me and for people of middle ages is a whole different item to those young people that may want to increase speeds and increase this and change sprockets so they don't have ghost pedaling at the end of the highest gear and things like that. That's a video in the past too. So let's get started on this video. All right, Francis on the Hey Bike.
for second?
For you, we're going to 3.
3 is the highest, right?
Yeah.
What's the highest on the other one?
Well, throttle only is the highest. How fast you get? 26. That's fast on a hay bike pedaling. All right, guys. So the first item I'm going to put on is this item right here. This is called a Keywig phone holder. I have it on my other bikes, and I really like how this phone holder works and operates. I like its quality. It's a very nice phone holder, and we will put it on. It comes with the accessories here, as well as the phone holder. It comes with 2 size fitting rings to attach to your handlebars or your extended handlebars. If you have an extension handlebar that comes out here, you can put it out here. I think there's room enough on this one. I'm going to keep it on the bar, and in this case I think I'll just wrap it this way. I'll expand it out so it can reach around the bar. I'm going to go half a turn more right there. That's tight enough. Yeah, it's really tight actually. And then how this phone holder works is all you do is push here, and this will take absolutely an iPhone 13 Pro Max and probably any other phone. I use the Pro Max is what I use, and this works really, really well. So now all I got to do is I'm going to loosen this. This is the cap that goes on. I'm going to put it over the ball, and I'm just going to snap it on. And then I'm going to take the holder that keeps it from falling off, and I'm going to tighten that up. And there we have it. I got to get a phone because I'm using this phone to record, but how this works is you push the sides in here, it releases the phone, and then when you put the phone in, as you put the phone in, it hits this little red button and snaps closed to hold the phone. Let's see if I can find a phone for us. All right, guys, I've got the wife's phone. You just take it, put it in here, and you can feel it's just kind of sliding around a little bit, no big deal. But as soon as I push down on it, that phone grip grabs it. And it's a very nice fit. Works very well on this on these phones. Very well. I love it. I love this one. It's about 22 bucks or so, a little more expensive than the cheaper brands or the cheaper no-name brands, but this one really works really, really well. Then to release it, you just squeeze it and pull it off. Show you one more time, just put it in. Really a nice phone holder. Keywig, bought it on Amazon, and it's a great phone holder. So my next item is this right here. Now I've looked at a bunch, and I think for a hay bike, this is the style I want, because my hay bike is going to get collapsed and folded up to take places. So I have to be very careful on what I buy and what's going to stick out as I collapse it, because I don't want them to break off. But so this is very simple to install as well. Again, I got the left-handed one because all I care is about the left side, and many of my longtime viewers are going, why aren't you using the rear view camera? Because I have a rear view camera. Why aren't you going to use that on this bike? Again, the reason is because this bike is a travel bike. This bike's going to get folded up often, and I don't want to have to deal with any of that when I'm traveling on the road. Then all you do is take this in here. Very easy, guys. Holy cow, I can't believe how easy it is. And you put it here now. All right, guys, this is what it looks like installed. It looks big, but it's not. It's a very small, compact mirror. And you go, well, why didn't you get the round ones? I didn't like them. I think the round one doesn't go with the flow of the bike. I think the flow of the bike is sharp, and I think this this mirror looks really sharp for it. Now, when you travel, you just turn it in and kind of tuck it away when you fold your bike up and travel, and that's what I liked about it. It just seems to fit really nice. Very nice quality mirror. And this mirror has some blue in it, so it reduces the glare. Remember to like, share, and subscribe this video, and join the fun. Every week I do a video on the hay bike, and I do it on the other bikes. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. And remember to get out and ride your e-bike, get out and ride your hay bike, and enjoy your summer. Thanks for joining me, guys.